Ever wondered about the buzz around Python, the programming language? Well, sit back and relax because we're about to delve into the world of Python, a language loved by many for its simplicity and power. Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991, Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant indentation. It provides constructs that enable clear programming on both small and large scales. One of the most striking features of Python is its simplicity. It's often said that Python's syntax is clear, intuitive, and almost English-like, which makes it a great language for beginners to learn. Even seasoned programmers find Python's focus on readability and simplicity a major draw. Python is also dynamically typed. This means you don't have to state the types of variables when you declare them or anything like that. You can do things like x equal, sign 111, and then x just is I'm a string without error. It also supports an interactive mode where you can enter your programs and see results instantly, a feature that makes it ideal for experimenting and learning. Python is incredibly versatile. It's used in many domains like web development, automation, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, and data science. Big tech companies like Google, YouTube, and Instagram use Python as part of their tech stack, which is a testament to its power and versatility. Python also comes with a large standard library that is available for everyone. It includes areas like internet protocols, string operations, web services tools, and operating system interfaces. Many high-use programming tasks are already scripted into the standard library, which reduces length of code to be written significantly. Now let's circle back to the main points. Python shines in its simplicity and readability, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experts alike. It's dynamically typed and supports an interactive mode, which is great for learning and experimenting. Its versatility and the large standard library make it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from web development to data science. So whether you're just starting out in programming or an experienced coder looking for a powerful, versatile language, Python is a great choice. So why not give Python a try? Dive into its clear syntax, play around with its interactive mode, or start a project in a domain of your choice. You might just find it to be your new favorite programming language. And remember, like any language, the best way to learn Python is to use it. So start coding,